Grabe yung fog in the morning. So guys, I'm going to work today. It's Friday. I'm so happy because Friday is, meaning after I come back from work for part-time work for 2 hours, day off na mag-start ng day off until Sunday. So I'm just gonna show you the road that I passed by. This is the second bridge actually. The first bridge was over there in the highway. I'm just gonna show you how foggy it is this morning. I mean, it's gonna be autumn anytime soon. So here's the fogginess. And then you see a lot of spider webs. It's like that. And that's the Tamisari Harbor where there's so many boats and yachts. So that's it. And then today, I'm with my electric scooter. Yes, that takes me to work every day because I'm tired with biking, guys, especially when it's going uphill. Maglisod ang bayot, maglisod ang lula mo. Mutungas, guys, sa kaya kunaan magbike. May scooter ka dito. So anyway, yun lang. Malate na ko sa trabaho.